Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener. Back at it again in the backyard. So I'm going to tell you about a couple of these plants that you go just cut off, use the cuttings and make more trees and more plants for yourself. This is a cheap way of what I do, at least. It works for me. So this is the cranberry hibiscus. And I take these cuttings, which I just cut off a piece, and I go and plant them inside a pot. And this is one of the cuttings right here, and this is the outcome of it. So basically, with this plant right here, all it took was for me to cut off a branch from the last plant and place it in a pot just like here. And this grows into another cranberry hibiscus tree. So this saves you a lot of money right here if you want to multiply your edible plants, or even maybe want to even sell them. The cranberry hibiscus grows very vigorously, so that's a lot of cuttings. I just walk around, place it in a pot, couple of weeks, the tree is there. So I've done a lot of cuttings on this tree. I can give them away to family and friends, or I can sell them. So this is one of the trees that I use for cuttings. And this is another one. This is a Cuban oregano. You can do the same thing with this. Go ahead and just cut it off. And then you go ahead and you place it right into the pot. And this is where I placed it into the pot. These grow very vigorously also. They also keep a lot of other bugs at bay. They actually also repel snakes. They don't snakes won't come in the backyard because of that. I put a lot of that around my whole backyard. And they're going another cutting. So like I said, all I do is slice, dice, and put it in. Here we go with a Malabar spinach. And I'm doing the same thing with this. I just cut it and I place it into a pot. So I go around my yard and I do this to a lot of plants, edible plants. And this saves me money. And here is what it grew to, the cutting. Of course, I needed to cut some of them flower buds off of there so it doesn't bolt. But I have quite a few of them. And we got this blackberry tree right here, branch. And again, I took a cutting. I have quite a few cuttings of that. And I just went in, stuck it right here into this pot. And it has grown. And when I took the cutting, this was a small piece of cutting, and stuck it in there and it grows. So this is a good way of saving yourself a lot of money. This is a moringa. I also cut this one. And this tree grows real quickly. And here it goes. Here's the cutting. Right here. So this is, like I said, another way that you can save yourself some money. Using what you have in your yard to benefit you. Here's a fig tree. And this is another one, you take cuttings from fig trees and put them around, you have more figs. There's another one. This is a June plum. Took a cutting off of here. And you wind up with more June plum trees. So like I said, this is, a way to help you. You can save a lot of money on trees and just grow your own. Here's that June plum cutting right here. Okay. And then that was pomegranate from the cutting. That's the cutting right there. And the pomegranate is coming from the big tree. Right back here. So as you can see, I have a couple of them. So hopefully this video helped you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.